Welcome back, folks. It's Chris with Seal Boss again. Today's segment's going to be quickly on the 6500 polyurea joint filler. 6500 comes to us at a 1-to-1 ratio, A to B, and is very good to use in large, expansive warehouse type floors or any industrial type floor applications. If you have a manufacturing facility, you have a very big warehouse, very sound product to get inside of the joints that you have that are made by saw cuts to relieve that surface tension on the concrete slab. 6500 also can be put down in either cartridge form or bulk, and we do offer the JointMaster Pro 2 G3i in the event you have a bulk application. 6500 comes in a bunch of different shore harnesses as well. We have several different shore harnesses that can be tailored to whatever type of application you have, and it also can be tinted, so you would add the tint to the B side. So if you had a 2-pound color pack of whatever custom color you may desire, you would paddle mix that into the B side, giving you the ability to match any type of decorative warehouse floor you may have. If you want to learn more, feel free to reach out to us here at Seal Boss, contact your local representative, or visit us online at sealboss.com. We're here to help you.